up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Savvy Say. In today's video, we're gonna be making some alcoholic adult popsicles. So we're making Boozy Pops today. These are so easy to make, they're so delicious, and they only require 3 ingredients. So let's get started. So let's go over our ingredients. 1.5 cup of lemonade, half a cup of strawberry lemonade vodka, and 6 strawberries. Then you're gonna need these popsicle molds. So I have my 6 strawberries. I'm gonna cut the tops off and I'm just gonna add them to my blender. I really like adding fresh strawberries to this recipe because it really enhances the strawberry flavor in the strawberry lemonade vodka. So we have our 6 strawberries in our blender. Then we're gonna go in with our 1.5 cups of lemonade. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a go. Just get this blended up together. Okay, we have that all blended. Then we're gonna add our half cup of vodka. So don't go crazy with the vodka and think, oh, I'm gonna add extra and make these stronger or put a little bit more so the turn up can be real. Don't do that because alcohol doesn't freeze. So if you put too much alcohol, then it's gonna stop these from freezing. So don't overdo it. Stick to the half cup and they'll come out just fine. Half a cup going in. And I'm just gonna give that another go. Get that all combined. And that is it for the recipe. That is too easy. Now the next step is just to use a funnel and to pour this concoction into your bag and get them into the freezer. I like to get a tall glass and that is gonna hold up my freezer pops. I just set them in there like that. And I use my funnel. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Get these open. Pinch the side. If you give the sides a little pinch, get that in there. Put it in my tall glass. So make sure you don't go past this fill line because when you freeze them, this is going to expand and you don't want it to make a mess in your freezer. Too easy. Only 3 ingredients and these are so good. They are really tasty and you definitely get a buzz. If you eat about 2 or 3 of these, you off to a good start. I think after just 2, you feeling it. So this recipe makes 6 to 8 pops and this is what they look like when they are done. They are so yummy, so easy to make. 3 ingredients, can't go wrong with that. And these are definitely a vibe. You should definitely make these at your next gathering, your next cookout, your next party, because these are legit. They're yummy, they're good, they're too easy to make with just 3 simple ingredients. Hopefully I inspired you to make your own adult Boozy Pop at your next event. Stay tuned. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please turn on the notification bell if you are subscribed so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And that is it for today's video, guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye.